If you just got a 3D printer, here are the first 5 things you should print. They'll save you money, keep your printer clean, and even protect it. Hello everyone, my name is Ella. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about my top 5 favorite things to print when starting out. I printed these on my Bambu A1. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. First, something you'll want to print is a Purge Bucket, also known as a Purge Bucket. Basically, whenever the filament changes color or the print starts, it'll print off a little bit of filament and fling it across the room. But when you have a Purge Bucket, that doesn't happen. It just goes straight into the bucket that is next to or below the printer. This can be extremely helpful because without it, printing can just get a little bit messy and annoying to clean up. This is my Purge Bucket. It's a little bit small, but it gets the job done.
Alright, so Ella's chosen the design, so the next step is to hit prepare to print and then press print, where we're going to have to select the color, which we're just going to choose the top left, and then hit print, and it's going to get started.
Secondly, something very helpful to print is a print bed scraper. This allows you to scrape off the print once it's done. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'll just show you how it works. Easy peasy. When you buy a Bambu Labs printer, it comes with a lot of tools, and we need somewhere to put these tools. That's where the Toolbox comes into play. I find this is very helpful for keeping everything organized and stopping them from getting lost. This is what the filament spool looks like, and this is how you load it. So you want to line up this with this, and how you do that is there will be a little notch on here, and there'll be a little notch right there, and they'll fit together perfectly if you get it right. There you go, and you can just kind of feel it go into place. And then we put the top bit on, flat, and we just peel that bit off. It's quite satisfying, this bit, and you just last one, and it's good to put on the machine. And then when you put it through the hole, you want to make sure this is straight, so you just snap off the bent bit.
Alright guys, we're just going to swap out this filament. Ella's asked me to do this because it's a little bit fiddly. What we need to do first is remove this filament. To do that, we press this orange button, wind the filament back off, carefully remove the spool, and just to stop that unraveling, I'm just going to feed that through here. Then we put the new spool on, load that on, clicks into place. Then with this, we just feed that filament in through that hole, feed it up in there, and once it detects it, it will actually automatically wind that on. I think that's really cool. Because this is Bambu Labs filament, it has a chip in there which actually tells the printer what color that filament is and what it's made of, which is really handy.
Last, but definitely not least, my dad was really excited about this one, is what's called a Hotend cable chain. Basically, it protects the Hotend cable from getting damaged. Ours took about 4 hours to print and it's quite easy to assemble, but that will vary depending on what printer you have and what file you use. the hot end cable is always moving back and forwards, and without the hot end cable chain, it can get damaged, and we don't want that to happen. Those were my top 5 favorite things I think you should print when starting out. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. These are my top 5, I did.
Finish eating your chocolate.
I wouldn't hold your breath.
Okay.
Raise the roof! Raise the roof! Energy in the house!